Cleaning the HIsource NFT Hydroponics system is fast and easy. Removable channel covers are essential for system hygiene and maintenance. Cleaning the system after growing prevents plant disease in future plantings and preserves the system. This system was used outdoors in the tropical state of Hawaii. After harvest, the system sat for 2 months without maintenance. Watch how easy cleaning and getting ready to grow again can be. After removing the net cups, wipe down dust and large debris such as leaves and roots. In our case, we had to shoo away a gecko. Remove the channel covers and set aside to be cleaned later. Depending on the debris, consider removing the drainage valve before spraying. Later you will see debris clogged the drainage valve and had to be removed and cleaned. Using a scrub brush or rag, begin to clean the channels. Since the system was unkept for so long, we used a brush attachment on a drill to easily clean off dried roots, dirt, and hard water stains. Gutter-style channels are prime for NFT hydroponics. Our system offers removable covers and unbeatable cost. Compared to similar systems that use rain gutters or circular PVC tubes, our system you can fully clean and reuse time and time again. Our system still holds true to DIY, but we don't compromise quality where it matters most. Here we made the mistake of not removing the drainage valve. Debris clogged the drain. However, it is easily removable and a quick spray down cleared the clog. Time to clean the channel covers. The covers do a great job at stopping the dirt, fallen leaves, and bugs from getting into the system. After cleaning, prop the covers up to dry and allow the channels to air out as well. A final spray down and our system is clean and ready to grow our next crop. The channels are free of dirt and left behind roots. An additional step you may consider is running a peroxide solution through the channels before growing. Good as new. Our system is designed for home growers. Hydroponics is environmentally sustainable. Ease of use and affordability is what makes our system sustainable to households and families. We'd love your feedback and experiences. Comment below or find us by searching HIsource Hydroponics online.